And so opening and closing an account with Wealthsimple is pretty straightforward. So I'm just going to scroll down here. And so I'm going to open an account, and I'm also going to demonstrate how to close accounts. So to open an account, just scroll down here, and as you can see here, it says plus add an account on the bottom of your account list. So you can transfer an account to Wealthsimple or open an account. So just going to click open here, and then they have a lot of accounts here. So you can just open an account. And also you can open like 2 or 3 accounts of the same account. So I already have a TFSA and unregistered account, but let's say I wanted to open a new one. So I'm just going to click the non-registered here. Then I can do, I can choose the stocks, then the margin trading, manage portfolios. So for the um, you can just choose the first option, stocks, options, and ETFs for the like self-directed um, cash account. Like if you don't want to open a margin, so who will use this account with you? Then open an account. It takes like a few seconds really to open a new account. But if this is your first time, it could take like 5 minutes because with the email and putting your info. So yeah, So you have the option for stock lending. So if you are holding a stock for a few years and you don't plan to sell anyway, you can do stock lending and receive some interest. But if you don't like just um, remove the check mark there, like what I did here, to disable stock lending. It means, so yeah, you can make a new deposit. So I will just choose maybe later, and as you can see here, I now have two non-registered account. Actually, I can open another one. I can open like multiple accounts of the same one. I already have a non-registered account, but I, I decided to open another one just to demonstrate how to open it. So yeah, you can actually open like multiple accounts of the same account. So yeah, and so how can you like close an account? So to close an account, as you can see here, I have like $0 accounts here that I wanted to close just to demonstrate. So I wanted to close this one, the cash account. So just click it, and then on the upper right corner of the screen here, click it. So it shows your info. So I'm going to close this account anyway, so it's fine to show the account number and stuff. And so before closing an account, make sure it's $0 balance, and also that you have like downloaded the tax documents. As you can see here, the tax documents here, it will show you the tax document. So I would try to like download it before closing an account, but for this one I have already downloaded it like last year. So if your account is already at $0, you already downloaded the tax documents. So click close account. So yeah, cancel all pending transfer withdrawals, have a $0 balance. So close account. Should take a few seconds, then it's gone. So yeah, and so I wanted to close this another account too. Click the upper right corner and then scroll down, and then make sure you download the tax documents, and then it's on 0. Then click the close account, then close account, and then to close the account that I have just opened earlier here, because I don't really need it, it's just for demonstration. So click here, but you can absolutely have multiple accounts of the same one. So, but I don't need multiple accounts, so I'm just going to close it. So pretty much the same process. Then scroll down, then and then because I don't really trade anything to it, there will be no tax documents. I mean, I just made it a few minutes earlier. Click close account, then close account. So if you haven't opened a Wealthsimple account, you can get a $50 cash bonus. Link in the description for more details. For more Wealthsimple tutorials, visit the playlist.